Next baby's just going to crawl out on its own.
Do you think you're going to have another one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you
We want to have another one, and because we want Theodore is his name. We want him to have someone to play with.
Oh, yeah.
So
That's cute.
Like a second dog.
Yeah. Where you can leave him home longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the whole thing. You have someone who can built-in babysitter.
Excuse me.
I hate when people do that. Oh, my God. Oh,
Apologies. It's like my thing.
my God. Oh,
That was loud. Sorry. I get really loud. I thought
get
it's
so
funny.
loud.
I think it's
It's
funny, so
not.
I exaggerate it. But I think I murdered one here on the podcast.
our
Did I
baby.
startle you?
This is how our baby reacts.
such a crazy.
Theodore doesn't like it.
No, Theodore likes it now.
No, he
For sure.
doesn't.
That is the most grandpa shit I have ever seen when a
I
guy's
can't help
just like talking to you out of nowhere. It's like, "Ah!" You sound like you're about to fucking puke.
It's my thing. People are charmed by it.
Oh,
No.
God.
People think it's funny.
That
No.
like really, really scared the shit out of me.
I guess I'm not
That's
used to
so
scaring people.
fucking jarring.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Ah,
I'm used to
a
people
trauma
being
survivor.
Worse
You can't
I
just
think
do
you
that.
Need to stop.
Is it like clearing? Is it clearing your throat?
Yeah.
Did you work in fucking coal mines?
No,
What are you doing?
I have a Jewish reflux disorder.
Oh, it's acid reflux? Is that what it is? You feel acid coming
You
up?
get mucus in your throat because.
But does it have to be so loud?
You have you have to give someone a fucking heads up.
No, you have,
You're like,
I almost black out.
dude, like fucking Lorenzo's oil.
the problem is
you
that
can't.
he actually does that all day, every day at home too.
And not as loud. I try.
I do
yes,
feel
as
like
loud.
I mean, literally, I feel so close to you. I know everything about your shits. You just did that, and you just adjusted your
Oh,
dick as you moved.
Yeah, most people don't comment on that.
I mean, this is wild. I'm glad I
Well,
make
we-
you so
know,
comfortable.
Yeah, well, we like to get to know each other
And what
quick.
is that? Is that just to get like
My
guys?
dick is stuck to my balls. It's like,
Uh-huh.
so I'm unsticking it.
So guys will just do one thumb. I see it all the time, and I never quite know.
I don't know
it
what
is.
they're doing, but I can speak for myself.
Okay,
The
it's
dick
stuck.
is
Is it
stuck to the
sweaty
balls.
or the water from that you left on your butthole
It's probably
is
sweat.
sneaking up? Okay.
It's probably sweat.
Yeah.
And it's uncomfortable, so you got to de-stick it.
Okay.
What do you guys do when you grab back there? Zach and all you guys. What do you guys
I
do?
thought you
when
was
you grab?
gonna ask.
Well, you guys.
Sorry, I
Well,
could
they're
not
not
stop
on
laughing.
camera though. You're
Yeah.
on camera.
What can I do? I'm not gonna be someone else on camera. I got a dick. It gets stuck to my balls.
Can
and I
you
gotta...
not? Can
Yeah,
you
no.
not
Stick it.
like just?
I mean, she's the first person to comment on it. Is anyone else troubled by it?
I'm not trying.
People have commented on it in YouTube comments.
Oh, I've never seen them. Do you guys see comments like that?
Oh,
Yeah,
where
they
you
comment
they
on
just
that.
see you do this probably.
Yeah.
I think it's part of your
It's not a
charm.
thumb. I'm just grabbing my dick and lifting.
Oh, I thought I saw a thumb,
Well, maybe.
like
but-
a hitchhiker thumb, just straight down.
Why don't you guys speak up? I'm asking you guys questions. You're just leaving me in the trenches
Well,
like usual.
I mean, I'm not on camera constantly. So,
Okay,
I mean,
well, I am. So
Yeah.
what do? Do you grab your balls?
if I need to, sure, yeah, why not?
Okay.
But can you not do it for the?
Can I not?
Like how
do it?
uncomfortable
Do
is
you
it?
read
how
comments?
comfortable
Do you
is
read
it?
comments? Are people troubled by it?
I don't read them regularly anymore, but I've seen it for sure.
Dan, have you seen that?
It's out there. I wouldn't say it's the most common criticism, but
What is the most
the most
common?
co-
I'd like to see if I agree with it.
hold on, let me get my list out.
Most common criticism? I don't know. I don't think people criticize me at all.
I
I
really
only
like
admire
your throat clearing. Can you guys? The gift you can provide me is a supercut of all of his throat clearings.
Oh, it already exists.
Oh, somebody made that.
Oh,
Hold on, I'll
really?
pull it
So
up
this
right
is like
now.
a big
Let's
thing.
pull it up.
Here, I
Yeah.
could probably
Oh,
show
that's
you.
so funny.
My problem is that
Ethan
people think it's
Hawke.
funny because he does it on videos, but he does it at home too.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, it
you
stops
should,
being
you
funny.
should be blessed.
Here we go.
Somebody went through all of it. This is 7 minutes long, by the way.
Okay.
This is very long.
the sound of fucking hell, man.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Eva's covering her ears. I mean, it's so long.
Oh, fuck.
Let's see what's going on down here.
That's so funny.
Is he going back in time? Yeah, he's going like.
Goes back in time, yeah. To some of the earliest
So it's
videos.
chronological?
I
Wow.
believe so, yeah. Close to it.
I used to do all my videos shirtless for some reason. I thought that was funny. But I was repulsing people. You get the idea. It's
That's
7 minutes.
so funny. So this is your brand.
Yes, it's very
It's
Unfortunately.
a very big part of your brand.
Yes.
And it's
Unfortunately.
acid reflux.
Yes.
Do you take something for it?
Yes.
What do you take?
Omeprazole, 20 milligrams.
Every morning.
Yeah.
This is like a big thing.
People say it even like will give you Alzheimer's and shit, but I don't have a choice.
Well, because does it start to eat at your esophagus or something?
I mean,
No,
it's
it's just-
not good for you, right? If you have all that acid.
Yeah,
in your
that's not
throat.
good.
Yeah.
But they say that like the omeprazole can cause. I don't know. People don't really know. They just give you shit and they don't know what it does.
Yeah.
to you. But it's
What
worth
happens
it.
if you don't take it?
Oh, it's so much worse, dude.
Oof.
I just have like constant heartburn all the time.
Oh, God.
It sucks.
Well, that's what happened in the early videos. He didn't know that he had it. And he was coughing all the time and it was real. People thought that he was just like exaggerating for the videos.
Right, right.
But it was real. And then eventually, like after a year or two only, you realize that you have
yeah.
acid reflux.
The omeprazole was a game changer.
Has
for
not
me.
been eating meat helped?
I don't know. It's only been like a week.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, I've had the heartburn under control.
Yeah.
I think in general, yeah. You know, and the more I cough, the worse it gets because it starts to injure my throat, and it makes me cough more.
Oh, and you talk for a living?
I talk for a living, you know. I've got something here.